Hey everyone, welcome back to Frit K. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, feeling like you can never get ahead financially? What if I told you that with the right habits, you could not only save more, but also start investing in your future? In this video, I'm going to share actionable strategies for saving money and smart ways to invest it so you can build wealth over time, whether you are just starting or already have some savings. These tips will help you get on the right track, so stay tuned.
First, let's talk about saving money, which is the foundation of financial security. The first step is creating a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses so you can see where your money is going. Use tools like apps or spreadsheets to categorize your spending. For example, groceries, entertainment, bills. Once you know where your money is flowing, find areas where you can cut back. For instance, consider reducing unnecessary subscriptions, eating out less, or opting for more cost-effective alternatives to your regular purchases. Next, consider setting automatic savings goals. If you set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account every month, it ensures you're consistently saving without the temptation to spend it. The recommended amount to save each month varies, but aim for at least 20% of your income, or more if you can. Build an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of living expenses, as this provides financial security during unexpected situations like job loss or medical emergencies. Another critical point is debt reduction. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can slow your savings progress. Focus on paying it off as quickly as possible. A good strategy is the debt snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debt first to build momentum, or the debt avalanche method, where you target the highest interest debt first. Once you clear your high-interest debts, you can direct that money into savings or investments. Now that we've got saving covered, let's move on to investing, which is where your money really starts to grow. Many people think investing is complicated or only for the wealthy, but in reality, investing is something everyone can do to build wealth. Start with understanding the different types of investments: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. For beginners, the simplest and safest option is to invest in index funds or exchange-traded funds. These funds pool your money with that of other investors and are invested in a wide range of companies or sectors. This gives you diversification, meaning your risk is spread out rather than concentrated on a single investment. Over time, these types of investments typically provide strong returns, often outpacing inflation. Another great option is retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. These accounts offer tax advantages and are an excellent way to start investing for your future. If your employer offers a 401k match, make sure you're contributing enough to take full advantage of that free money. If you want to dive deeper, you can explore individual stocks or even real estate investments, but these come with higher risk. With stocks, it's important to research the companies you're investing in and understand that the stock market can be volatile. For real estate, you could consider buying rental properties or investing through real estate investment trusts, which allow you to invest in real estate without actually owning property. Lastly, don't forget about the power of compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more your money will grow over time. Even small contributions to an investment account can snowball into significant wealth if left to grow for years.
So whether you are looking to save for an emergency fund or want to rule your wealth investments, the key is to start down and stay consistent. Start by saving more and cutting back on unnecessary expenses, then shift those savings into smart investments like index funds or retirement accounts. The earlier you begin, the better your financial future will be. Remember, the goal is to make your money work for you. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more personal finance content. Let's build a wealthier future together.